How to delete Google search history permanently on mobile. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To delete your Google search history, it is basically very simple. Start off by launching your Google in your device. Then in the top right corner, navigate to your profile icon. Once you are in here, you will see the search history option. You need to tap on over here. This will redirect you to the new page. Now to delete the entire search history permanently, just click on the option of Auto Delete. In the Auto Delete option, you can tap on the duration of it and click on Next. After that, tap on Got It. Next thing that you can do is just tap on this delete icon over here and tap on it. There you will see delete all time option. You need to click on this particular option. Then tap on next and tap on delete. Then click on got it. After this, the search history on your Google will be deleted permanently. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.